indoda neqiniso layo ngayo. Kuzona zonke izinto odlula kuzo kufuneka kube neqiniso lakho ngawe. You know, amadoda amaningi awabi neqiniso kuwo ngawo. Umuntu sisho ukuthini na uzofihla imizwa yakhe ngento angayithanda ivumelayo, and ukufihla iqiniso lakho ngokuthi uzizwa kanjani ngesimo esithize kubuya kusasa kulimaze wena. Kunalento lena ezokulimaza ngeqiniso lakho uma ungalibheki, ungalimeli, ulibhenda futhi, uyabo, ngoba awubi true to your truth. Uyabona ukuthi akufanele ukuthi ngabula, but ula akufanele ukuthi ngabe you know uhlalele into eso but uhleli. You understand? Akufanelanga ukuthi ngabe uvumela into kanje but uyayivumela. Akufanelanga ukuthi ngabe uyekelela into enjena but uyiyekelele, because awukho true to your truth. Awuthembekile eqinisweni lakho, awumile eqinisweni lakho, ngoba lento yokungabi true to your truth you know kusasa leqiniso lakho ongekho true kulo lizovela seliwulaka, selivela seliyenga, selivela seliugcwalelana, uyabona, selivela selinamanye amandla angamahle azofika amoshe izinto and akwenzisa amaphutha azokwenza ukuthi kusasa uvele lapha endabeni, ngoba uvela lapha endabeni kuphela mase kukhona okubo okwenzile. Uyabo, so ake sibe true to our truth. Iba neqiniso eqinisweni lakho, ngoba mawungenalo iqiniso eqinisweni lakho kunala you know okufanele ngabe uba neqiniso khona kuzokulimaza kusasa, kunala kuzohetha khona, kunala kuzokwenzisa khona amaphutha, ngoba you are not true to your truth. You know, kumele lokho bafu indoda uyakwazi lokho sikushoyo la uzokuzwa as a man, because le iqondene nawe as a man. Be true to your truth. You know, when you are true to your truth, these are the things ezenzakalayo uma uneqiniso eqinisweni lakho. Uyakwazi ukubhekana nento ngaleso sikhathi. It makes you to calm down one way or the other, because you are facing your own truth. Ukuthi yazini into so angiyithandi, therefore let me take a decision to say I'm putting a stop on this. You know, it will give you peace, tranquility. Kune peace ezokunikeza yona, kunokuthula okuzokunikeza kona, kunala kuzokusiza khona ukuthi ngabe wenza amaphutha so kuba uzange waba neqiniso eqinisweni lakho. You know, should you have, you know, decided not to be true to your truth, you should have, you know, went this far. Ngabe usowenza ukuthi kunala kukusave khona, kunala kukuphilisa khona, kunala kukunceda khona, kukuvikela khona ukuba true to your truth, kunala kukukhulisa khona, kunala kukubonisa khona ukuthi uyazithanda, kunala kukubonisa khona ukuthi uyazibeka kuqala, kunala kukubonisa khona ukuthi you know you appreciate yourself, you matter, you know, kunala kukubonisa khona ukuthi yazini you have grown, ukhulile, uyakwazi ukuzikhetha wena, ukuzibeka wena kuqala, uyakwazi ukuzivikela wena, you know, nenhliziyo yakho, nemizwa yakho, nengqondo yakho, mental health, because normally we know nobody takes care, no one cares about your mental health. So izinto ezinjalo they are your responsibility. If you become true to your truth, you are taking care of your mental health, because no one is there for you. You know, no investment is directed to you to help you, nothing. So if you are true to your truth, you are saving yourself from a lot of things, because uneqiniso eqinisweni lakho you know, uvikela nempilo yakho namalungelo akho angeke aphucwe kusasa, uthathe uyofakwa ku the only center eyakhelwe wena. Niyayazi ke nina madoda leyo center leyo, nakhona ungena ukhululekile, ungena la, uyabo. So lezo zinto lezo mawuba true to your truth uyazivikela ezintweni eziningi ebezizobuya kusasa zikhombe wena ngokungabi neqiniso ngeqiniso lakho.